Load your family into the 2019 Kia Sorento. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. This model accommodates 7 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a power seat, automatic temperature control, a power liftgate, lane departure warning, rear wipers, and power windows. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.